Bato Falls, Twin Falls, I guess. And I am going now to the hot spring. So I just had a mini swim here, and then I'll go back to hot spring park, and then I'll go home. So yeah, um, this place is called Pulang Bato because of the rocks. The rocks here are colored red. I think it's because of the water. The water has minerals in it that makes the rocks turn red. So that's one of the things. So yeah. So I'm gonna be back in the hot spring. Then I'll head to the town of Valencia to ride a jeepney going back to Dumaguete city. So hopefully this will be okay, and hopefully I can catch up with the jeepney, because I guess because people here said that jeepneys are seldom here, so we need to look out for the exact time on when the jeepney will leave. So yeah, so I'm going now to another place. Yeah.